At 6, stocks gave up a lot of their gains from Monday. Today, the Dow sank nearly 800 points. That's a loss of about 3%. As Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Patricia Del Rio tells us right now, the slide came on the same day the Fed made a sudden rate cut thanks to coronavirus.
The Federal Reserve has not done an emergency rate cut since the financial crisis in 2008, and before that, since 9/11. But this could mean good news for people looking to buy or refinance a home.
I would say over the course of the last couple of weeks, we've seen a broader spread of the virus. We've seen it begin to spread a bit here in the United States. But for us, what really matters, of course, is not the epidemiology, but the risk to the economy. So we saw a risk to the outlook for the economy and chose to act.
Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell today explaining the reasoning behind the emergency rate cut. This now brings the benchmark U.S. interest rate to around 1.25%. Translation, everything from credit card rates to auto loans to mortgages should see a dip in interest rates in an effort to spur the economy.
My phone is ringing off the hook. So anybody who does need to maybe do some debt consolidation or maybe wants to go from a 30 to a 20 or a 15-year term, this is the time to do it.
Loan officer Colleen Como with William Ravis Mortgage in Wethersfield says low interest rates potentially becoming even lower is prime opportunity for people to refinance their homes.
Anybody whose interest rate is above, honestly, 4% right now.
And for people looking to purchase a home, a dip in rates means buying power.
When you're seeing the first-time home buyer rates in the high twos, they can go out and buy, an extra $50,000 in home. And that's a big deal for these people.
A big deal, but the Fed recognizing the rate cut is not a cure-all.
We do recognize that a rate cut will not reduce the rate of infection. It won't fix a broken supply chain. We get that. We don't think we have all the answers.
Cutting interest rates has been a way to help curb economic downturn in the past, but it's not clear if it's going to work during this current crisis because interest rates are already very low, and it's uncertain whether people are going to want to go out and spend if they fear catching coronavirus. I'm Patricia Del Rio, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.